I'm also going to be grilling some sweet peppers, and I've got red and orange, yellow. I've also got some shishito peppers I'm going to grill, in addition to some green beans, and that will go with this dinner tonight. I've got a cast iron skillet on top of these grill grates, and don't ask me why I have the grill grates there. I was cleaning them using the searer on my grill, and since they were already hot, I just left them there. But anyway, I'm going to be searing my peppers and my green beans in that cast iron skillet. My skillet is nice and hot. I'm going to put in all these peppers. I coated them with a thin coating of canola spray, in addition to a little bit of salt. Green beans and the peppers are all seared. I'm going to take them off and move back into the house.